Yung forthwith, dapat niyan kaagad-agad, no? So may violation na actually. From my point of view, nag-violate na sila dahil hindi nila inumpisang kaagad. Ah, Pwede magkaroon ng a little delay katulad ng yung trial, yung impeachment ni ERAP at saka impeachment ni Corona, mga 1 to 3 weeks, no? But ngayon, mga 4 months na, hindi pa sila nag-uumpisa. So talagang tingin ko may ano na, labag na sa Constitution ito, sa saligang batas. So that's one. No? So magiging issue yan, nasa Korte Suprema yan, yung issue na ano yung meaning ng forthwith. Ang tingin ko, they violated already. So, but having said that, they can continue. They can still continue now, start now, dahil pwede naman mag-crossover yan. Pwede naman i-continue yan sa 20th Congress. Dahil sa ibang bansa where we copied this provision on impeachment sa Estados Unidos, ginagawa nila yan, no? From one Congress to another, kino-continue. Court of record naman. It's already dead, may video naman. So yung mga bagong senador, they can always read the records and watch the video, no? So katulad yan sa sa Korte Suprema o sa Court of Appeals, pag may nag-retire, may pumasok na bago, hindi naman inuulit eh. Babasahin mo na lang yung records.
Pero in your opinion, is there enough time, you think, if they start, say, in the next 2 days, would there be enough time to complete the proceedings?
No, definitely I don't think there's enough time. Dahil you have to give the impeached official, you have to give VP Sara 10 days, no, calendar days to answer or file a comment. And then another 5 calendar days to the prosecution to reply. So talagang wala nang panahon, kulang na.